The river is so crystal clear that its bed is bathed in sunlight. Bubbles of gas appear. Evidence of photosynthesis. Deep inside the plant cells, tiny structures called chloroplasts move towards the light. They absorb carbon dioxide and use the sun's power to synthesize the sugars that the plant needs to grow. And, as a byproduct, they release oxygen. Bubbles of oxygen make the river water fizz like champagne. The gas that we and all other animals must have in order to breathe. The plants can become so buoyant with gas that they rise to the surface, even carrying the bedrock with them. Only in this remote water world can this spectacular natural wonder be seen.